Hello, myself Rajlakshmi Jaina of class 12D, and I am over here to present a PPT on the topic of effects of COVID-19 on business environment. Now, we will have our introduction as well as serious implications for people's health. COVID-19 coronavirus is significantly impacting business and the economy. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought fast-moving and unexpected variables, some of which existing crisis plans and teams weren't prepared to handle. Many companies successfully developed incident management plans specific to this crisis and are now looking ahead. As business activities are going slow, some companies are seeing lower revenue resulting in less cash flow. Businesses must navigate the financial and operational challenges of coronavirus while rapidly addressing the needs of their people, customers and suppliers. In the next slide, we will discuss briefly how this pandemic affecting various business environment. Now we will see some effects on world trade. Several industries have been adversely affected due to spread of COVID-19 globally. It is evident that the global economy may slip into a recession. The supply chain of different countries is adversely affected, resulting in the situation of inflation. Different international events are postponed due to the outbreak, which is important for the world economy. IMF, International Monetary Fund, has predicted that the global GDP is estimated at 1.6 for 2020, while the figure in 2019 was 2.9%. The United Nations Conference on the Trade and Development said that the outbreak could cost the global economy up to $2 trillion this year. Due to this recession, in some countries, the global economic growth clocked in below 2.5%. The demand for crude oil is reduced drastically. Now our next slide is on effect on business sectors. Lesser economic activity due to maximum countries are in lockdown. Businesses are now facing the challenges of disrupted supply of components to make their products. The pharmaceutical, automobile and mobile phone industries are suffering from the recession. The gem and jewelry makers are expecting great loss due to partial closure of the Chinese and Hong Kong markets. The software industry, which easily lends itself to working from remote location, is making slow progress. Different commercial and political activities are also postponed, which adversely affected the world economy. Now we will have a look on our analysis reports. Car sales in China have fallen sharply and it's now about minus 48.4%. Many advanced economies are expected to enter recession this year. Here is some positive impact of this coronavirus situation. Zoom video calls are getting more popular. Change in share price of popular technology companies like Netflix and Amazon. Chinese industrial production fell further in March. Now we will have a look on effects on Indian economy. Major points. An imbalance in the supply chain. Indian GDP growth rate is highly affected and difficult to recover even. Sudden price hike of goods and services. Manufacturing, public transport, tourism, etc. business came into depression. Increasing demand for newer and innovative technological services for ease of business. Online services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Kindle, etc. caught public attention. Effects on supply chain. The ripple effect on global trade flows due to COVID-19 disruption in China before lockdown. The MSMEs came into a risk due to the dependency of Chinese imports. Several delays in cargoes and shipments are also absorbed. The lockdown affected pharmaceutical and agriculture sector. From all these points, we can have one conclusion that we are exporting less and importing more products. Here have a look on Indian export in million USD and Indian imports in million USD. Effect on GDP growth. After the Great Depression of 1930, this coronavirus is the next great economic recession period. The fourth stage of trade business suggested by Keynes is used to measure real GDP. IMF has projected GDP growth as 1.9%. This shows the worst GDP growth of India after the Great Depression of 1991. Now, here is a slide on India's growth trajectory since 2011. Now, we will see some effects on consumer product. Price hike can be absorbed on various consumer products. Here are some news reports. Here is a report of the Indian Express. COVID-19 effect. Premium for health insurance set to rise by up to 25%. After 18th straight hike, diesel costs higher than petrol in Delhi for the first time. This is the news reported by NDTV Profit. Now the news of the Economic Times. Coronavirus impact on gold price. Analyst says telecommunication price will hike in future. Now, effects on different sectors. The shutdown in China has prohibited the import of various components affecting both Indian auto manufacturers and auto components industry. Due to lockdown across the cities, public transport is in halt. The tourism sector, international flights, hotels, etc. has also been impacted by the spread of coronavirus. 10% of the farmer could not harvest their crop in the past month and 60% of those who did harvest reported a yield loss, and that a majority of farmers are facing difficulty for the next season. E-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket announced to stop the sale of non-essential items in India. IT companies are heavily dependent on manpower and are not able to operate due to restriction in the movement of people arising from lockdown and quarantine issues. Now some scopes for development of new technology. Demand for data centers has gone up as technologies for working remotely are playing a crucial role in keeping companies functional in the time of lockdown. Tech companies focusing on leveraging next generation digital technologies like 5G and artificial intelligence. There is an increase in internet consumption among the public which will lead companies to develop required support infrastructure to push connectivity. The demand of IoT, Internet of Things, has also gone up. Educational institutions are now focusing on online studies. The demand for new productivity softwares has been increased. Example, Zoom, cloud computing services like AWS, etc. Suggestions to businesses. The present outbreak provides valuable lessons for companies in general and Indian companies in particular. Lean supply chain strategies while increasing short-term profit and focusing on supply chain vulnerability. COVID-19 has taught corporate decision makers that in formulating future supply chain design, apart from cost, quality, and delivery, they would also need to stress test the chain on new performance measures including resilience, responsiveness, and configurability. This is an urgent wake-up call for the Indian industry to realize the need to develop its own local sourcing units and adopt alternative strategies for reducing the dependency on China. Here, have some look on my references.